Hello friends, today we are going to start the next question, that is question number 3 of exercise 2 point. Now the question is, I already wrote on the board. Here it is the magic square. Sum of the numbers in the each row, column and diagonal is the same. This is the magic. Now friends, actually here nothing to do. Already you know that. Here what you have to do is sum. This is of here it is of column, row and diagonal. Now here while telling about this column, now here nothing. Now there you have to just add the numerator. Why you have to just add the numerator? Because you know that all the denominators are same. So this is not a big deal. Sure, because 4 plus, look here, it is of 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 18, you know that it is of 15 upon 11. Added? Like that. Here also, all the denominators are same. So we have to just add the numerator. So 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, again it is of 15 upon 11. Correct? And next row, that is 2 plus 7, that is on 9. 9 plus 6, again it is of 15 upon 11. Only the thing is that you have to just add the numerator and just you have to write the denominator as it is. That only the thing here. And the next is of now, let's see about the row. In this here, here also denominators are same, you have to just add the numerator. Sure. Now 9 plus 4, 4 plus 9, again it is of what is 13, 13 plus 2, again it is of 15 upon 11. Sure. Like that, while adding here also, here it is of 8, 8 plus 7 is again 15 upon 11. Sure. Here 8 plus 9, 9 plus 16 it is 15 upon 11. We are getting same. Now diagonally. Diagonally, now look here, this is the diagonally. That also you have to work. Diagonally you can see, now the 4 plus 5, what is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 again is of 15 upon 11. So it is magic. So in this way it is magical. It is a magical square. Why it is a magical square? Because all these are equal. That is of it is row wise equal and the column wise equal and diagonal wise equal. Sure, all of you? So this is about this sum. Note it down first. Friends, now we'll go to the next sum. I will write the question first here, so it will be easy for you to understand it. Now here a rectangle, question number 4, a rectangle, sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 upon 2, centimeter long. Centimeter long. And 10 integer 2 upon 3 wide. We have to find the perimeter. We have to find the perimeter. Friends, look here. Now here the perimeter, it is a rectangular. So I will draw the diagram here. It is like this. This is the rectangular sheet. Of which, but it is there long. Long means this is the length, but it is 12 integer 1 upon 2 and breadth. Breadth means this, that is of 10 integer 2 upon 3. So what we will do here? First we will write the length. Length L is equal to. What is length L is equal to? It is of 12 integer 1 upon 2. 12 integer, now we have to convert it into the improper fraction. Improper fraction means 12 into 2 plus 1 upon 2, correct? So which is equal to, what it is? 12 to 24 plus 1 upon 2, that is of 25 upon 2. Sure. Now next is of width. Width, that is, you know that is of breadth also we can say. So breadth B is equal to, what it is? 10 integer 2 upon 3. Sure. 10 integer 2 upon 3 means what actually it is? 10 into 3 plus 2 upon 3. Sure. So which is equal to, what it is? 30 plus 2 upon 3, that is 32 upon 3. That means centimeter we can say. Sure. Now what you have to find is perimeter you have to find. Look here. Now the perimeter. What is perimeter is equal to? You know that twice into length plus breadth. Sure, friend. Now which is equal to 2 into, now what is length is here? Length we found it is of 25 upon 2, correct? 25 upon 2 plus, what is the breadth is 32 upon 3. Okay, 32 upon 3. Sure. Now you know that this denominator is not same. So first we have to make it the denominator same. So we have to multiply 3 here and we have to multiply 2 here. Sure, all of you? So which we can write, okay, that is which is I am writing here little bit. Okay, so 2 into 25 into 3 is 75 plus, okay, here it is 32 into 2 is of 64. Sure. Okay, upon common denominator is 3 is of 6. Sure, all of you? So which is equal to, now while adding you will get it is of 9. Okay, 7 plus 6 is of 13. Okay, upon 6, 2 into, now 2 3s are. Sure. So that you will get it is of 139 upon 3. Sure. Now you know that again is what it is. It is an improper fraction. Correct. In order to convert it into the improper fraction to proper fraction, what you will do? Okay, we can do it as 139 divided by 3. Sure. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 190. Sure. 3 6 are 18. Sure, all of you? Okay, so that it is of 1. What is the remainder? So how can we write this? Which we can write it as 46 integer 3, that is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Sure, all of you? Okay, like this we can do this. Sure, all of you? You understand it properly? Okay, then you can note it down. Okay, what we did is understand? Question understand? A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1 upon 2. Okay, centimeter long and 10 integer 2 upon 3 width. Okay, find the perimeter. We have to find the perimeter of this. Okay, so here it is length is of 12 integer 1 upon 2. Okay, that is we are converting it into the improper fraction. Okay, so we got it as 25 upon 2. Okay, and width, that is breadth, that is 10 into 2 upon 3. Okay, again we are converting it into the improper fraction, so that it is of okay, 30 plus 2, that is of 32 upon 2. Okay, sure. Okay, now the perimeter. Okay, perimeter is equal to 2 into length. That is very important. Okay, this you must know the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, now that is 2 into what is length here? You know that is 25 upon 2, and what is breadth here? 32 upon 3. Now you know that here denominator is not same. So in order to add, we have to make the denominator same. So we are multiplying 3 here and 2 from here to there. Okay, so 3 multiplied here, 25 into 3 is 75 and 6 common denominator. Now 32 into 2 is, you know that is so 64. Okay, 6. Sure. Now, so now you know that the whole divided. Now here by adding, you are getting this 139. Sure, it is 139. Okay, 139 upon 6. 2 into. Now you can, what you can do here? You can divide it because it is into here. It is not integer. Okay, so it is of 3. Understand this 2 into. Okay, don't misunderstand this as integer. Okay, it is not integer part. Okay, it is the into part. That is 2 into this 2. So we can divide it. Okay, 3 you are getting. Then what you are getting it is 139 upon 3. Okay, now 139 upon 3 is what here? It is a improper fraction. So we are converting it into a mixed fraction. So we are divided. Okay, so that it is 139 upon divided by 3. You will get the 46 as the quotient and 1 as remainder. So it will become 46 integer 1 upon 3. Sure, that much. Okay, what it is perimeter centimeter. Therefore, we can say perimeter of the sheet is equal to. You will write the answer in words. Okay, perimeter of the sheet is equal to what it is 46 integer 1 upon 3 centimeter. Sure. What all of you do first? Okay, next question. Now here, okay, just take the screenshot or pause, then you do. Okay, fine. We'll proceed. Now here the question number 5. Okay, now question number 5, it is a diagram. Okay, here it is 5 upon 2 centimeter. Okay, that is of A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and here it is 2 integer 3 upon 4. Okay, here it is 3 integer 3 upon 5. Okay, centimeter roller. Okay, and here it is of 7 integer 7 upon 6 centimeter. Sure. Now what the question is, look, find the perimeter of okay, we have to find. What do you have to find? Okay, perimeter of, what do you perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay, sure. Okay, next is what you have to find, and the perimeter of next is the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Sure. Okay. Now whose perimeter is greater? Now which is greater? That is, we have to compare it. Okay, that is what we have to do. Okay, now first of all, okay, we can find the area of here. Okay, what is, sorry, perimeter of the triangle. For that we have to length. Okay, length must be in, here it is 5 upon 2, but it is a mixed fraction. Okay, so up to which it is mixed, we cannot add it. Perimeter means we have to add all the sides. Sure, but up to which it is a mixed fraction, we cannot add it. Sure, so that what we are going to do is, okay, first we will consider, that is length of, first we can say that length of AB. Okay, so length of AB is, you know, that 5 upon 2 centimeter. No need to do anything. Next is length of BE. What is length of BE is, it is 2 integer 3 upon 4. Sure. So we have to convert it. So which is equal to, what we can write, 2 into 4, correct, plus 3. How do we know now to convert into the mixed to improper fraction? So which is equal to 8 plus 3, okay, upon 2, that is of 11 upon 2. Sorry, it is a 4. It is a 4. Sure. Sorry, it is a 4. Okay, 11 upon 4. Sure. And the next is of okay, what is length of other part is what? 3 integer A. Okay, what is A? Length of A is 3 integer 3 upon 5. Okay, that is 3 into 5 plus 3 upon 5. Sure. So that which is equal to, what it is, 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, that is, we can write it as 18 upon 5. Sure. Got it? Okay, that is centimeter. So now everyone become what it is actually converted into the improper fraction. Yes. Now the perimeter. Now the perimeter of the triangle ABE. Okay, how we can write? Length of AB plus length of BE. Okay, plus length of AE. Sure. So which is equal to, what it is, 5 upon 2. Okay, plus now DE. What is the length of DE? We have to use 11 upon 4. Understand? Because the improper fraction only we have to use. And here it is 18 upon 5. Sure? Now you know that. Okay, now we have to make it common. So common means it's 20. 20 means what you have to do is, here it is 2 is common. So okay, we have to multiply 10 here. So it will become 20. So 5 into 10 upon 2 into 10. Plus here 11 into 5 upon 4 into 5. Correct? Plus here it is 15 into 4 upon 5 into 4. Sure? So that now it will become 20. Okay, all this denominator become 20. So which is equal to, it is of 50 plus it is 55 plus it is of 60. Sure, all of you? Upon common denominator is what it is? 20 is the common denominator. So which is equal to, now 50 plus 50, 105. Okay, 105 plus it is 165 upon 20. Sure, all of you? Now we can, okay, divide it with the, okay, divide it with by 5. Sure, so that it will become 3. Okay, again 3, 33, and here it is 4. Sure, all of you? Now look, again it is improper fraction. Now what you have to do is, we have to 33, okay, divided by, okay, 33 divided by 4. So what you will get? 8 sum 32. Sure, 1. So how can we write? So we can write it as, okay, this we can write it as 8 integer 1 upon 4. Okay, that which is centimeter. So that is the perimeter of AB. Sure. The same way, what we can do is, okay, we can find the, okay, perimeter of okay, rectangle BCDE. Okay, that is what it is, 2 into length plus breadth. Sure. Now in this case, which is equal to 2 into, what is length here? You know that length means this 2, that is BE. Okay, I am going to write 2 into, okay, length of BE, okay, plus length of DE, that is the breadth here. Sure. So which is equal to 2 into, now what is BE? We found here BE is 11 upon 4. Sure. 11 upon 4 plus, now DE 7 upon 6. Now 7 upon 6, you know that already it is in which form? It is in the improper fraction only. So now it is, you know that here 2 is common already, correct? So we have to multiply 3 here, and here uncommon is 2 here. So here 3, here it is 2. All of you understand it? Okay, so because now look here in 4 means here 2 into 2 4, here 2 into 3 6. Now this 2 is common. So only uncommon we are multiplying here and there. Take care. Okay, it will become very easy then. Okay, so which is equal to, okay, 2 into, okay, 11 into 33 is 33 upon 12. Okay, plus here it is 7 to 14 upon 12. So common denominator 12. Sure. So which is equal to, okay, 2 into, now it is into this. Now here we can add it is, that is 7, that is 47. Okay, 47 upon 12. Okay, again 2, 6. Now again this improper fraction. So we can divide 47 divided by, okay, what it is? 6. Okay, 6. Okay. So 7 sum, what it is? 42. Sure all of you? So while it is dividing, what you will get? Okay, you will get it as 5. Sure. So we can write it as, which is equal to 7 integer, what it is? 5 upon 6. Sure. 5 upon 6 centimeter. What all of you here? Okay, so now what we can write here? Okay, so we can write the final answer. So you got this. Okay, I am going to write the final answer here. That is of a perimeter of the, okay, perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to, but actually it is 8 integer 1 upon 4 centimeter, and perimeter of the rectangle, okay, BCDE, okay, BCDE is equal to, but it is 7 integer 5 upon 6 centimeter. Sure, this is the final answer. Sure, friends, got? Okay, understand it? Length of AB, here you understand here. So here also uncommon. Here you can say that here it is 2 into, so only 2 into 1. Okay, that is only 2. Here it is 2 into 2. Here it is 5 into 1. Okay, 5 only there. Now in these two cases, now here all this, anything common? No. So but here 2 is common. So what is uncommon? 5 2s are 10 is uncommon. Like that we multiply here. Now in these two, now, so here the 10 we multiply. Now here we multiplied what again? This 2 is common, no need to multiply anything from here to here. So only 5 is multiplied here. Like that we have to find. Okay, now here it is while telling about, only 5 is there. So what is, now here anything common here? No, already it is common here. So in this 2 you have to, okay, 4. This 4 means it will come, this 2 also will come in it. So that 4 to multiply. Sure? Like that too. So we did, okay, same way we did here. I hope you understand this also. Okay, here the making the common denominator is very important. That part you have to take care. Okay? Yes. So you can do. Fine. Any doubt? Okay, you can comment, you can ask. Okay, so you will do it. Okay, then, okay, we will proceed. The other one. Okay, so here the okay, I'll write the question here again. 6th question, that is of Salil. Okay, Salil wants to put a picture okay in a frame. The picture is okay, the picture is 7 integer 3 upon 5, okay, centimeter wide. Understand? Width, okay, is that much. Now to fit the frame, the picture cannot be more than Okay, 7 integer 3 upon 10. Sure, more than 7 integer 3 upon 10 centimeter wide. Okay, how much should the picture be trimmed? How much should the picture be trimmed? Okay, that is the question here. So I hope you understand the question. Actually, the picture's width is 7 integer 3 upon 5. Now the actuality is of the board's width is of what it is 7 integer 3 upon. Now obvious this picture cannot fit into it. It means which is greater? The picture's width is greater. So it must be trimmed. How much to be trimmed? Now we can say that first we can say that okay, width of the picture. Okay, width of the picture. What is width of the picture is 7 integer, okay, 3 upon 5. That means 7 into 5 plus 3 upon 5. Sure, 35 plus 3, that is of 38 upon 5. That means centimeter. Sure. Now width of the, okay, cannot be more than frame, only width of the frame. Yes. Okay. Width of the frame. What is width of the frame is? It is 7 integer 3 upon 10, which is equal to what it is 7 into 10 plus 3 upon 10. So it is of 70 plus 3 is 73. 73 upon 10. Okay, now here we can say, now okay, one thing we can multiply 10, so it becomes 10, so here it is of it is multiplying 2, sorry 2. Okay, so it become 10. Okay, while multiplying 2 here, it is of 76. Look here, 76 it is. So it is greater? Yes. Now, okay. Now how much should the picture to be trimmed? Okay, the picture to be trimmed is equal to, what we have to do is 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. This much to be true. So which is equal to, now here what we are going to do is we are multiplying 2 here. Sure. So that it is 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10. Sure. So which is equal to, while subtracting, what you will get? You will get it as 3 upon, okay, 10. Sure, all of you? That means centimeter. Now you know that this is a proper fraction? Yes. So nothing to do now. Therefore we can say that, therefore, okay, we can say that, 1 minute. So we can say that, okay, here it is yes, therefore, okay, this much, therefore we can say that, okay, 3 upon 10 centimeter, okay, picture to be trimmed. Sure, this is the final answer. Understand? Again, understand here the question. Wants to put a picture in a frame. Now width of the frame is 7 integer 3 upon 10, which is less than that of the width of the picture, that is 7 integer 3 upon 5. Okay, so what we are doing is we have to trim that picture so that to fit this in the frame. Now how much to be trimmed? Now first what we do it? Okay, mix it to improper fraction. You understand? 7 into 5 plus 3, like that here 10 into 7 plus 3. Sure, this is very important. Okay, then the picture to be trimmed is equal to, okay, 5, here we are again, it is necessary to, okay, make it common. So it is 38 upon 5. In order to make it common, you know that while multiplying 2 with the 5, otherwise uncommon. 10 means it is 5 into, you already told it is 5 into 2. Okay, 5 into 2, what is common is 5 is common. What is uncommon? 2 is uncommon. So on 2 we are multiplying. Like this, it is become very easy way to understand, okay, how to make it is equal. Okay, so okay, it is 76 upon, okay, my 10 minus, that is 3 upon 10 centimeters. So that much part we trimmed. Sure, all of you? Do first. Okay, I hope you did, you understand. Okay, you can proceed this afterwards. Now we will move to the seventh sum. Okay, in order to do this, you have to pause it. Okay, pause it and do. Otherwise, you take the screenshot and do. Please. Okay, now here it is seventh question. Okay, that is of Ritu age. Okay, 3/5 part of an apple. Sure. And the remaining apple was eaten by her brother. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, now brother, what is the name of the brother is given? That is of Somu. Okay, Somu it is. Now, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Okay, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? And the other must is, and who had the larger share? Okay, and the other is by how much? By how much? Okay, friends, just see. Okay, here, okay, Ritu ate 3/5 part of an apple. Okay, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Sure. Now look, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Okay, did Somu eat? Okay, now who had the larger share? Okay, who got more? And by how much? That's the question. Now here while telling about, you know that 3/5, now it is divided into two parts. Okay, now what is actually mean by this 3/5 part? That is the most important thing you have to understand. That is, one apple is, look, this is one apple is, okay, divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Sure? If this is the apple, okay, it is divided into 5 parts, 5 equal parts. Sure? Among that, okay, 3 part means this much part. Okay, this much part, okay, is eaten by who? Ritu. Now how many part is remaining? 2 part only remaining. That will be eaten by who? The brother Somu. This is the practically. Now you can say that how much part apple did Somu eat? Okay, so okay, part eaten by Somu. Okay, how will I find it? Which is equal to, okay, now the entire part means 1, that is total is 5/5. Okay, from 5/5, okay, 3/5 is good age our Ritu. Sure, so that which is equal to, okay, it is 5 minus it is 2/5. Now the question is there, now it is 5/5 of how came? Because you know that here it is 5, that's 5/5. Now even you can take it as 1 also. Okay, because whenever the total, now from the total 3/5 is eaten by the Ritu. So what is the total part means 1. Okay, how do you get to 1 means it is 5/5. Sure all of you? Like that, suppose now it is like that. Okay, it is divided by 7 part. Okay, one apple is divided into 7 part. Okay, 7 part it is divided. Among this 7 part, okay, suppose one is taken 5 part. How many part is remaining? Now 5 part is means 5/7 minus. Now how many total means it is 7/7. Now what is 7? Even you can write on 1 minus also. Understand? So that while cross multiply, that is otherwise making it 7 upon 7 only will come. Sure, all of you. So this must be understood. So whenever the complete means whatever the denominator here, that upon that you can write. In order to make it easy. Otherwise you can use 1 also. 1 minus 3 upon 5 also you can use. Okay, that will be easy. Now, so how much part of the apple did the Somu eat? Okay, how much part? Okay, that is 2 upon 5 part. Now, who had the larger share? Now, the comparison is quite easy because now here we can say that 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. Sure, because denominator same. So, numerator we have to compare. Therefore, okay, what will we write? Okay, here we can who had the larger share. So, we can say that Ritu had the larger share. Okay. Got it? Now by how much? By how much means okay. Now we can, in order that we have to minus, that is 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. That is 3 minus 2 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. So we can say that therefore okay, Ritu got 1 upon 5 part more. Understand? Like this it is. Sure, all of you? Understand? So understanding the question is very important. Okay, Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple. Okay, and the remaining part is given. Okay, it is eaten by the Somu. So here this is very important. Okay, this you forget about it now. Now come to here. So one apple was there. Okay, 3 upon 5 part means it is equally divided into 5 part. Among that 3 part is eaten by Ritu. Sure. So now how many part is there? Now without a calculation we can understand that how many part is there? 2 upon, okay, 2 upon 5 part is there. Now how did you get that 2 upon 5 part? So here the question is that is 5 upon 5. Now the question is that 5 upon 5 came how? Okay, so the answer is that, okay, the total, complete you have to consider as 1. Okay, whenever the part here comes, complete is taking as 1. Now how that 1 is taking? Now 1 means you can represent it by the denominator of the given part, that is here 5. So if it is 5, so 5 upon 5. If it is 7, 7 upon 7 we will write. So the 1 is converting here. So that subtraction will be easy here. So that is 2 upon 5 part. Sure? Okay. So now we have to compare that. Who got more? So here the denominator is same. So 3 is greater than, so the Ritu got more. Now by how much? Okay, that is subtracting. So 1 upon 5 part, okay, more Ritu got. Sure all of you? So that is about this. Do first. One more sum is there, then we will finish this exercise. Okay. Okay. Look, even I am rubbing it okay fast, but what you have to do is that okay, you have to pause, then you have to write. That facility is there in your okay screen. That's why I am okay rubbing the sums very fast, so that we can move fast. Sure, you will do it now. Bye. Next one. Last question. Here it is, 8th one. Okay. Michael finished coloring a picture. Okay, in 7 upon 2 art. Okay, Vaibhav finished coloring okay the same picture in 3 upon 4 art. Okay, who worked longer? Now, what fraction was it long? What fraction was it long? Okay. Look children, now here, okay, so you understand the question? I hope. Okay, that is here. What it is? Michael finished the coloring a picture. Okay, in 7/2 hours. Okay, sorry, it is 7/12 hours. It is 7/12 hours. Now 7/12 hours means okay, that is the total. In order to complete it, okay, 12. That is 7/12. Okay, R. Total time is given is 12. Okay, among that 7 part is used. Okay, so finish the coloring a picture in 7/12 hour. Okay, now okay, Vaibhav finished the coloring the same picture in 3/4 hour. Understand? 3/4 hour. That is whatever the slot is allowed among if it is covered into the 3 part, among that 3 part is used. Okay, who worked longer? Understand? So we have to compare here. Okay, now you can say that is 7/12 and other is of okay 3/4. Sure. Now 3/4 we can equivalent fraction we can convert. Okay, that is 3 into 3, 4 into 3. So that we will convert into 12. Okay, so that it will become 9/12. Sure. Now look. Now what we can say? 7/12 is less than 9/12. Now first question answer you got. But it is who worked longer? Among that 7/3 is of Vaibhav. So we can say that. Therefore we can say that. Therefore okay Vaibhav okay worked longer. Understand why? Comparison. You understand comparison? Vaibhav worked longer. Now the next question is okay what fraction was it longer? We have to subtract it. That is here greater is 9/12 minus 7/12. So which is equal to 9 minus 7/12. So it is of 2/12. 2/12 means we can reduce it as 1/6. Therefore, the final answer is okay. That is what fraction was it longer? So that okay, it was longer for 1/6 R. Sure. This is the final answer. So understand? Okay, these are the answer. This is the answer, and also here the answer. Okay, while writing, you write neatly. Okay, put the final answer and all in the okay box and all. Okay, not to take it. So that was it. Understand very well? Sure. So we finished the okay exercise 2.2. I hope you understand. And it's very important. Okay, that is fraction, addition. Okay, subtraction. Now the next the multiplication is also going to come. Okay, that also we have to do. Okay, then sure. So practice properly. Practice is the only one solution to okay understand maths properly. Okay, and you must be habituated with it. Okay, then we started to love maths. Okay. Okay, bye students. Thank you.